the piano and let's play the song Golden from the show K-Pop Demon Hunters. Hi friends, I'm Patrina. Now before we break it down step by step, here is a quick demo, and by the end of this lesson, you will be able to play too. Bow, right, left, bow, right, left, bow, right, left, bow, right, left, G, D over F sharp, E minor, bow, right, left, C, right, left, bow, right, left, D, right, left, bow, right, left, G, D over F sharp, E minor, bow, right, left. Alright, let's get started. Now first, I will show you the key of this song and which black keys we will be using. This song is to the key of G major, which means it mostly uses one black key, and that's the F sharp. Okay, and you will be able to see this F sharp coming up in some of the chords used later on. There is a total of 6 chords for this song. The first chord, we have a C major chord, and I'm going to put my right hand thumb on C, finger 3 on E, finger 5 on G, and my left hand I'm going to count down 2 octaves going down. Okay, so this is a C chord that we're going to use for this song. Next chord, we have a G major. We're going to keep our finger 5 on G, where our thumb going to go down to B, finger 2 activate a D, and then for our left hand we're going to activate a thumb, and this is a G chord. Now this is not the usual G chord that we have been playing. This G chord in the first inversion. Next chord, we have a D major, where we're going to put our thumb going down to A, finger 2 on D, finger 4 on F sharp, left hand finger 4. Now this is a D major, not the common D major that you have been using. This D major is in the second inversion. Next chord, we have an E minor, where we're going to put our thumb on B, finger 3 on E, and the right finger 5 on G. Left hand we have finger 3 on E. Now this is our E minor. This is not the usual E minor. This is a E minor in the second inversion. Next, we're going to have a D on F sharp. Okay, so remember just now we were doing our D major chord. We have a thumb on A, finger 2 on D, finger 4 on F sharp, where our left hand is on D. But a D on F sharp means our right hand is going to keep the D major chord, and our left hand is going to go up to F sharp note. Now this is a D over F sharp. And lastly, towards the end, we have a B minor chord. We're going to put our thumb on B, finger 2 on D, finger 4 on F sharp. For our left hand, we're going to move up to high B. Now this is our B minor in root position. Here are all the chords you need for this song. Take a moment to pause and practice switching between them until it feels smooth for your playing. If you would like to understand the formula behind major and minor chords, be sure to check out my piano chords video, link below. And if you would like a printable version of this chord sheet, I have prepared it as part of my resources for every of my tutorial on Patreon to take your learning further, so do check it out as well. Before we add any playing patterns, if you are a beginner, I recommend bringing up the chord sheet and just playing each chord once for every change while you sing along with the song. Now this will help you get used to the words and the exact spots where the chords switches. So here's a quick example of how that looks. Up, up, up is our moment. You know together we're glowing. Gonna be golden. Oh, oh, oh. Up, up, up with our voices. 용히 get onion. Gonna be golden. Oh. This was just a short example, but you will want to practice this for the entire song and make sure you know exactly where the chord changes happen. I've made the full chord sheet available on my Patreon for download and printing, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. So once you're comfortable with the chord changes, you know where to put your fingers, we can start adding the different patterns for this song. Now we're gonna start with our chorus for this song. The playing pattern for the chorus is gonna be we're gonna take it slowly first. It's gonna be both, right, left, both, right, left. Okay, so if we're gonna add it to the actual space, it's gonna be both, right, left, both, right, left. Okay, so we're gonna go through the sequence C, D, G. So it sounds like this: both, right, left, both, right, left, D, right, left, both, right, left, G, right, left. Okay, so that's a swing to it. We are going C chord, up, up, up is our D chord, moment. You know together we're half a bar of G, glowing, half a bar of D over F sharp, gonna be, 1 bar of E minor, golden, 1 bar of C, up, up, up with our 1 bar of D, voices, 용히 깨주소, half a bar of G, half a bar of D over F sharp, Gotta be. One bar of E minor, golden. O. One bar of C. I'm done hiding. One bar of D. Now I'm shining. Well, half a bar of G. Like I'm. Half a bar of D over F sharp. Born to be. One bar of E minor. O. One bar of C. Our time no. One bar of D. Fears no lies that's. Half a bar of G. Who will. Half a bar of D over F sharp. Born to be. One bar of E minor. Alright, so let's do it smoothly. Chorus, we're going to do the slow version. We are going up, up, up is our moment. You know together we are glowing. Gonna be golden. Oh, up, up, up with our voices. Young he catches so up neon. Gonna be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining like I'm born to be. Oh, our time no fears no lies. That's who we're born to be. So let's try the extra speed for chorus. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. We're going up, up, up is our moment. You know together we're glowing. Gonna be golden. Oh, 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 up, up, up with our voices. Young he get you so on neon. Gonna be golden. Oh, 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 I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining like I'm born to be. Oh, our time, no fears, no lies. That's who we're born to be. And this is the end of the chorus. Alright, let's move on to our verse. With our playing pattern, we're going to keep it simple. We're going to have a both right, right, right for a chord. There is no half bar, there's only full bar. So every chord you're just going to go both right, right, right. Okay, so we're going to go slow. So first verse 1, C chord. I was a ghost, I was a G chord. Lone, duo, one bar of D, Jing. Okay, so E minor, K. C chord. Given the throne, I didn't. G chord. Know how to. D chord. Believe I was the E minor queen that I meant to be. I. C chord. Live to life, try to. G chord. Played both sides but G chord. I couldn't find my own E minor place called a C chord. Problem child cause I G chord. Got to wow but D chord. Now that's how I'm getting E minor paid. Get on stage. Alright, let's try verse 1 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I was a ghost, I was alone. Do a G. It's okay. Given a throne, I didn't know how to believe I was the queen that I'm meant to be. I lived to life, tried to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Got a problem child cause I got too wow, but now that's how I'm getting paid. Can we see on stage? And then we move on to our pre-chorus 1 where we're going to hold the chord I'm done hiding on C. Then we change to G. Now I'm shining on D. Like I'm born to be. And then we go to E minor. Where? And for this, because it's building up, we're going to try this playing pattern. Bow, right, left, right, right. Bow, right, left, right, right. Okay, a little bit similar to our chorus. The chorus is a bow, right, left, right, right, left. For our pre-chorus, it's going to be a bow, right, left, right, right for one chord. Okay, so we're going to continue line 2 where C chord. Dreaming hard, we G chord, came so far now, G chord, I believe, G chord again, and then after that it leads to the chorus. Okay, so let's try pre-chorus one smoothly. Ready? The first line we're gonna hold, and the second line the pattern comes in. Let's try. 1, 2, 1, 2, C, go. I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We're dreaming hard, we came so far, now I believe. Alright, so after chorus, we have our verse 2 where we're going to hold the chord all the way. We have an E minor, waited so long to break this. D chord was down to wake. D chord again, up and feel like. Back to C chord, me. Put this E minor patterns all in the D chord, pass now. And finally, D chord, leave like the girl they all. C chord, C. Okay, so let's try verse 2 smoothly. Waited so long to break these walls down, to wake up and feel like me. Put it patterns all in the past now, and finally leave like the girl they all see. And then it brings us to pre-chorus 2 where we're going to hold all the way on E minor, no more hiding. And then on D, I'll be shining. And B minor, like I'm born to be. C chord, chorus, E minor again, we are hunters. B minor, voices strong, and C chord, I know I be. G chord, leave. And then after the pre-chorus, we're going to go straight to our chorus again. Alright, so let's try pre-chorus 2 smoothly. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, E minor, no more hiding, I'll be shining like I'm born to be. Cause we are hunters, voices strong, and I know I believe. And then we move on to our chorus. And lastly, for our outro, we are going to use the same pattern as the chorus. Bow, right, left, bow, right, left. Okay, so similar chord C, D, G, and a D on the F sharp, E minor. Let's try outro slowly. You know where, C chord. Gonna be golden, where, D chord. Gonna be. Half a bar of G, born to be. Half a bar of D over F sharp, glowing, well. 1 bar of E minor. Gebichunan Uling. You know that. C chord, it's our time, no. G chord, fears no lies, that's half a bar of G. Who, where, half a bar of D over F sharp, born to be. 1 bar of E minor. So now let's try it smoothly, but we're going to go slow tempo. You know we're gonna be golden. We're gonna be. Want to be glowing. But get with your non-uling. You know that is our time. No fears, no lies. That's who we're born to be. So now let's try the exact tempo for outro smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You know we're gonna be golden. We're gonna be. Born to be glowing. But get bitchin' and ulin. You know that it's our time. No fears, no lies. That's who we're born to be. Great work today! Now every time you practice, you are getting better and more confident at the piano. If you would like the extra support, I prepared resources like chord sheets, diagrams on my Patreon page to guide your learning further. My next video will be a practice track for this song, so be sure to check that out and practice together with me. And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and share so you won't miss what's coming next. Now keep learning, have fun. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Hi there, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial added value to your music journey. Now put what you have learned into practice with our practice jamming track video link above. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe for more music tutorials. We'll see you in the next video and we'll continue to make music and learn together.